Hello viewers, welcome to Math Solution channel. In this video, we will solve a polynomial function. Stay till the end of my video. Thanks. The polynomial p of x is equal to x cubed minus 6 times x squared plus 11x minus 6 has roots corresponding to the dimensions of a rectangular prism. If the length, width, and height are represented by these roots, what is the volume of the prism? Solution. Volume of the prism is equal to length times width times height, which correspond to the roots of the polynomial. Step 1. Find the roots. We can use the rational root theorem. Possible rational roots are the factors of the constant term, that is minus 6, divided by the factors of the leading coefficient, that is 1. The possible rational roots are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and plus or minus 6. Let us test these values. Testing x is equal to 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 cubed minus 6 times 1 squared plus 11 times 1 minus 6. P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 is equal to 0. P of 1 is equal to 1 plus 11 minus 6 minus 6. P of 1 is equal to 12 minus 12. P of 1 is equal to 0. So x equal to 1 is a root. X minus 1 is a factor of p. Use long division to get the other factors. That is, divide p of x by x minus 1. Step 2. Polynomial long division. We divide p of x by x minus 1. 1. Divide x cubed by x to get x squared. 2. Multiply x minus 1 by x squared to get x cubed minus x squared. 3. Subtract x cubed minus 6 times x squared plus 11 times x minus 6, minus open bracket x cubed minus x squared close bracket is equal to minus 5x squared plus 11 times x minus 6. 4. Divide minus 5x squared by x to get minus 5 times x. 5. Multiply x minus 1 by negative 5x to get minus 5x squared plus 5 times x. 6. Subtract minus 5x squared plus 11 times x minus 6 minus bracket minus 5x squared plus 5 times x closed bracket is equal to 6 times x minus 6. 7. Divide 6 times x by x to get 6. 8. Multiply x minus 1 by 6 to get 6 times x minus 6 and subtract 6 times x minus 6 minus open bracket 6 times x minus 6 close bracket is equal to 0. The other factor of p of x is x squared minus 5 times x plus 6. Therefore p of x is equal to open bracket x minus 1 closed bracket, open bracket x squared minus 5 times x plus 6 closed bracket is equal to x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. Therefore the roots are 1, 2, and 3. Hence volume is equal to length times width times height is equal to 1 times 2 times 3 is equal to 6 cubic units.
Thanks for watching this channel. Subscribe, share, and like my video. Stay tuned.